Come on, admit it. How many times have you launched a website and then you realized later on that you forgot to optimize the images, or you forgot to set up the analytics, or you didn't double check some of the typos? Mistakes like this cost time and can hurt your reputation because some clients aren't so forgiving. Human error does creep in. So, what can you do to fix this? You want to create checklists for recurring tasks. So, for example, before you go and launch a website, did you go and do the SEO? Did you do the connections? Did you make sure the fonts were all custom loaded? Were the images all optimized? WebP? Did you check the mobile responsiveness? Did you check that the forms, when you hit send, actually send and are being received? For WooCommerce or payment gateways with a $1 test product, are you getting the notifications? Think of checklists like your safety net.